Good evening, my darlings. Tonight we're going to look at logarithmic functions. So first, if I'm set with a table of data here, I have to decide, how do I know that it's a logarithmic function? So as I look through this column, I can see that this first one here, I'm adding 2 plus 2, okay, then I would add here, get me to 6. This should be an 8, and this should be a 16. So you can see, now that you have the right numbers, that's fun. So the second and third one's 8, then a 16. Anyways, as I look at those, so 2 plus 2, but that didn't go to get from 4 to 8. So I can see consistently I'm multiplying by 2 on the x column, and then in the y column I'm adding by 3. If you remember, if I was doing an exponential function, that had the pattern of add multiply. Well, the inverse of exponential is logarithmic, so how exciting, switch x and y, multiply the x, add the y. So you'll have the form y equals a plus b log of x. I will also write out y equals a plus b natural log of x. Neither is wrong. It doesn't, unless it says specifically you must use base specific E, 10, 27, it doesn't matter. I will say this. As you're heading towards the world of higher mathematics and heading into calculus, the calculus tends to focus more on the exponential base value of E. So with that, then the natural log. If you have any level of uncomfort with the natural log, use it. So make sure your brain is becoming comfortable with it because you're stuck with it. There's nothing to say there's anything wrong with base 10 or anything else. I'm just saying more commonly you're going to see the natural log. So here we go. Just now that I've identified here, so I've got multiply here, add here, okay, it's definitely logarithmic, so I can find the pattern, check, go me. And then I can write the equation. Pick any points that's going to make you happy. Pick the first two. Those make me happy. So 9 equals a plus b natural log of 4, plugging in for x and y. And then 6 equals a plus b natural log of 2. All right, I can see my two variables a and b are attached by addition. So to undo that, I'm going to subtract my lines. And I have the a's there. Sorry, guys. I can see they're going to subtract out. That's awesome. So 9 minus 6 is 3. A subtract to 0. And I'm going to have b natural log of 4 minus b natural log of 2. That's just writing it out straight. First, simplify that. I'm going to GCF a b out of both terms. And then I'm going to remember, ooh, subtraction of logs really means division of one log. Look at that stuff coming back to help you out. So then you have 3b natural log of 2. Natural log of 2 is just a number. It's a nice one. So you divide, and you're going to end up with 4.328. And then just go back in to solve. So you will have 9 plus a plus, and then my b is a 9 equals, silly me. 9 equals a plus 4.328 natural log of 4. We just plug that in for b. Multiply those together, and remember, use the full decimal of that. I'm only writing the 3 decimal places, but use the full in the calculator, and that will multiply to 6. Look at that magic, just magic we're dealing with here. And a is 3. So I have 3 plus 4.328 natural log of x. So as I take a look at this next one up here, I I see. All right. 1 to 3 multiplied by 3. 3 to 9 multiplied by 3. 9 to 27 multiplied by 3. Yay. Adding by 3. Excellent. So you're going to set up to, again, I'll write this one in log base 10 just so you can see both. So 3, and yes, you'll notice I always make my life easier and I put the bigger number on top. Nothing wrong with the other way, just trying to make my life easier. Now, did you do the first example with a base 10? Totally awesome. You'll notice your A value was the same, your B value is different because the base of the log is different. Anywho, subtracting 7 minus 4, 3. A minus A, 0. And here's the coolness or annoyingness, however you want to look at it. Subtracting the two logs. First, go ahead and pool a GCF. Then, remember, subtraction of logs is really division. So I'm right there. Divide by the log of 3. So B equals 3 divided by log base 10 of 3. B is 6.2877, continuing. So, for your evening fun, first, you need to go back and find A. How will you know you have the right answer? You will graph it and see if the table matches. And then you're going to come down here. Now, it's no secret, it's on the logarithmic page. It's probably logarithmic. Make sure the pattern works so you understand that aspect of it. Then, go through, solve that, and check your answer. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.